Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Mommy, Merry Christmas. Tell Mommy Merry Christmas.
A bike. Yeah, Daddy.
Go see what Santa brought for you.
What's that?
What is that?
T-bars for Christmas. A T-bar. Christmas.
What else you got there?
No way.
What's that?
A Tinkerbell for Christmas.
Is that cool?
Look, Daddy. It's a chain clothes.
What is that?
That's pinball.
Is it bowling?
Yeah, just what Chloe got.
What else do you got? What is that?
I don't know.
You've been asking for it, haven't you?
Is that gator golf?
Yeah. Look, it's in my friend's second food book. Just like my books.
What's this over here?
My bike.
A bike? What's on the bike?
That's my teddy bear.
Is that a teddy bear? What else is on the bike? What's that hanging on the bike?
A helmet.
A helmet. Who's on the helmet?
Who's that?
No way.
Look at your stocking.
Look at
You're
your stocking,
stocking.
Abby.
It's hung up. Stand up. And turn around. Look.
Look at Santa.
Pull it off the hook.
Look, I'm a candy cane.
Yeah.
Look, let's see what's in there. Look at all of this.
2 candy canes. Look, Mommy. It's Ruda. Let's see what's in the other one.
Those are Mommy and Daddy's.
Candy, what Trisha got. What did that tune on?
They're just in there playing. What is that? Is that some new jammies right there? Aren't they pretty?
Yeah. Look, we got a new bell. No, that's not even.
What else do you got down there, Abby? Is that a hat with gloves?
Yeah.
Try it on.
Look. It's Emily. It's for Christmas.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad. You get to open your Christmas present.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you see where Santa ate all your cookies?
Yeah.
And he drank the milk and the orange juice you left him. Abby, he left you a note. It says, "Thank you, Abigail. Love, Santa." Cool.
Tell Mommy you heard Santa last night.
I heard Santa last
You
night.
did.
What did you tell the puppies?
tell puppies, don't get them some Christmas presents. Don't get them some of my toys right now.